Hey there everyone, Nitesh here, back again with another video and welcome to the TypeScript series. Now before we move ahead in this video, hit that subscribe because 70% of audience is not subscribed. Anyways, let's move into the any keyword. Now this is mostly the usual keyword which people use to get away from the syntax of TypeScript. I've seen many people using TypeScript but still exhaustively using any. This is not a good practice and I'll walk you through from the documentation that it is written there, it is not a good practice. First, let me give you a brief scenario overview that where people actually use it and where you shouldn't be using it. So let's just say you're trying to declare a variable and you don't know what to place inside this variable. So you just call it as hero right now. You have no idea right now that this variable is eventually going to turn into a string or a boolean or anything as a matter of fact. What you do after some time, you declare a simple function which calls it as simply getHero. And this getHero just returns you a hero. So let's just say a hero is being returned as a Thor. Now later on you decide that, hey, I want to have this hero and this hero will get the values by calling this method as getHero, and we run this method. Now if we go ahead and simply hover over this value, we can see that this is being inferred as any, which is really a bad case. You really want to avoid these cases. Now right now this TypeScript file has no idea what to infer the value. And I'll walk you through the documentation that the official documentation says that when in such situation where TypeScript cannot find out that what value is going to come up later on in the future, it puts that as any, which is a kind of a getaway from doing the things. And that is exactly happening up here, that it is just saying that, hey, this is any. It could be, this could be a simple string. Right now, still it is any. But there is nothing which is stopping me to return a true, and this is still accepting the value, which is not really a good case. Maybe just imagine you have declared these values and you are getting these values, but there is another developer who is working on the API call, and instead of just giving you a string based on which your entirety of your program is dependent, he has just returned you a true or maybe just a status code. This is not good. This actually breaks the consistency of the code. So in this case, we have this string. So the ideal case would be, remember in the earlier time I told you that in the earlier case, in such scenario, the automatic inference of the values like string and boolean is not good. In these special scenario, I would love to have the simple string that, hey, now please infer the value as a string. So whenever the values are going to come, whether through an API call or whatever you're doing, it should always be inferred as string. Now, if I go ahead and another programmer who is writing this, now if it goes ahead and says true, automatically you get an error that, hey, it was supposed to be a string, but now it is being returned as a boolean, which is not good. So you shouldn't be doing that. Now let me walk you through with the documentation because that is the most important part of this video. So here's the documentation, and you can see in the documentation there is any and there is also no implicit any. Yes, the any actually is a getaway, and it tells you that any can have actually anything at all that you want to have. So that whenever you don't want a particular value to cause the type checking, so that's when you use any. Now notice this very carefully. Any is not a special type that you are assigning. It's not a string, it's not a boolean. Any is simply a marker in the TypeScript which just simply says that, hey, I don't want to do the type checking for it. Basically, turn off the type checking for that particular value. You don't want that, otherwise why you're using TypeScript? The most important line is just here. You usually want to avoid this because any isn't type checked. Use the compiler flag no implicit any to flag any implicit any as an error. So one more thing we have learned, that there is a setting in the tsconfig file that we can go for no implicit any that will allow us to not fall into such thing which is any. So I hope this video gives you a clarity about when to use any, when not to use any. Yes, there might be one or two cases, but really you don't want to use any in any of your code. It is not a good practice. You are avoiding all the strictness that TypeScript brings to your code. So I hope this video has given you a clarity about any, but the most important another thing here is the function shouldn't be defined like this. The function should have more values, so that stricter check or definition that, hey, you cannot return a boolean value. You should always be returning a string value. So from the next video onwards, we're going to study about how functions are defined using TypeScript. Let's go ahead and catch up in the next video. Till then, hit that subscribe. I'll catch you up in the next one.